In this video, I'll show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and go to the search bar. Now type Catalog Avatar Creator and search for it in Experiences. Click on the game and press play. Once the game loads, go to the left side menu and click on Community Outfits. Now choose any category, for example Most Popular. After that, look at the bottom left corner and click on Outfit Code. Here, enter your outfit code and press Enter. The outfit will start loading, and once it's ready, it will appear on your character. You can preview how it looks by clicking Wear. Keep in mind, this outfit will only be applied inside this game. If you want, you can also save it to your Roblox avatar. And that's it. That's how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.